If you don't know what to do, then pick something. Like lots of young people, well, what should I do? I don't know what I should do. I'll wait until I know. It's like, no.
Just
Waiting makes you shrink. It's like, pick something. You think, well, maybe I'd like this. It's okay, fine. What do you know? Maybe you're wrong. Hit it hard. Walk towards it. You get halfway there, you might think I'm on the wrong road. It's like, that's okay. You've progressed. Damn right, man. You're not where you were. And so now the world looks a little different. You think, oh, I should be over there. You would have never figured that out unless you would have walked in error halfway down the road.